Sounding the alarm about getting a false sense of security during the Thanksgiving holiday.
They say getting a negative COVID-19 test before gathering with family may not fully protect you from spreading the virus. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live with more. Audrey?
The doctor I spoke with says that getting a negative COVID-19 test only shows that you're negative in that moment. He says that if you get it too early, you could be at risk of spreading COVID-19 to your loved ones. COVID-19 testing sites are busy, even on a Tuesday in late morning.
So I think there is an increase in people trying to get the test. I think it started about a week and a half ago.
Dr. Daniel Skeist, an infectious disease doctor at Bay State Medical Center, says he believes many people are hoping to get a negative COVID test before gathering with friends and family for Thanksgiving. And that's a strategy he might have recommended before the cases began spiking.
About a month ago, I might have said, and that was what we were planning to do, was to get tested before we went to a family gathering out of state. But things have changed. The positive test rate is much higher now. We're seeing a lot more people get infected. It's really increasing exponentially.
Skeist tells Western Mass News a negative test doesn't completely rule out being sick, particularly because the viral load can take days to build and actually register as positive.
The test, if it's done too early, then it could be negative. And some people can have a false negative test because they get the antigen test, which is not as reliable.
Skeist says the only surefire way to avoid spreading COVID-19 is to gather after the pandemic is over.
Because the prevalence is so high here and everywhere else in the country, I think it's better not have any gatherings outside of your immediate family.
The two types of COVID-19 tests are molecular and antigen, the latter less effective in catching an active infection, according to the FDA. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.